Hey, what's up, and welcome to a new video tutorial by CrocFIX. And today we have here an Dell laptop, and the model number is Latitude 7389, and we want to replace the battery. So shouldn't be that hard of a work. Let's just disassemble it. We will turn it around. And then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Phillips screws, which needs to be unscrewed. Don't worry about taking them out, as you don't need, just unscrew them. They are bonded to the back plate, to the cover, so no need to disassemble the screws. I mean, you don't have to take them out. So once you unscrew it, then you will make a gap here in between. We'll show you this way. And then you just go and lift up the cover plastic here. So carefully be sure that you unscrewed all the screws, and that's it. Put the cover by side, and then we have here our battery. So now what we need to do is we first need to disconnect the battery here by pulling this connector out. There you go. So now we have a couple of screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, which needs to be unscrewed and removed. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we can lift up the battery and remove it. Of course, we need a new battery now. So if you need a new battery, I have provided the links to the battery in the video description. Just click on more under the video while watching on YouTube. So our battery is from another manufacturer. Let's remove the protective plastic here. And then we can assemble the battery. There you go. And we can connect it to the mainboard here. Firstly, be sure that the cable is in the perfect position. And just connect it to the board. There you go. Okay, fit it. So now we are going to put back the screws. Number 1, If it's not really aligned, you can press it a little bit, maybe to one side, as maybe the plastic here is not perfectly long or something. It's just a millimeter maybe, so no worries. Just be sure that you don't touch any contacts here with a metal screwdriver. There we go. Doesn't need to be that tight, just to hold the battery in place, so don't use too much force or anything. I'm sorry, here is another screw, so here on the left side, this screw here is on the back plate, and one more here. There we go. Still need to screw this one, and again, that's it. Then we take back the back cover, gently press it everywhere around to fit it in the frame, and then you can start with screwing back the stuff. Mount the screws. Okay, so that's it. You can turn it around, charge it, and you're good to go. We have a picture. The battery is working. Let me know in the comments if it did work for you as well, or if you had any problems.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.